Hello, my name is Madisyn Anderson. I'm from Sacramento, California, and I study kinesiology, sport performance, and I'm on the women's soccer team, and as you can see, I've been delivered. It would be Tiana, and why? Because I was originally named after her before they changed her name to Tiana. So, when you see that movie, think of me. Just kidding. I tried baking these potato chips. I'm not a baker, I don't know why I did that. It was an utter fail, and I was really sad because they were really gross. Well, I've been in sports since I was little, soccer. So I just want to stay in sports as much as I can when hopefully if I don't go professional, which I want to. But if I don't, I want to help manage teams. I want to be involved with sports as much as possible. Well, because of soccer, there's a lot of things in soccer. There's a lot of cardio and muscle involved, so I mean, I do whatever, the sport demands, and because of me playing a sport, I am always active. I'm always wanting to go to the gym. I'm always wanting to go on a run. And I love doing those things because it kind of brings me comfort. So yeah. So my favorite memory for the national Portuguese team, the men's side, when they won the Euros in 2016 and beat France. Ronaldo wasn't playing, but they still won, and it was really nice to see that they won. It was lovely. Yeah, he was sobbing. He got hurt his knee, but still was doing what he could to support the team. I'd say it's not that serious. A lot of things is not that serious, and whatever has happened in the past has happened in the past. The future is to come, so just work on your present self, So I would definitely tell myself it was not that serious, it was not that deep. Get over it, you'll be okay. I'm a picky person when it comes to sweets. I'm not really into sweets like that, but if it's a strawberry shortcake, I'm there. I love strawberry shortcake. I love strawberry. That's why. But besides that, I'm not really a chocolate fan. I can't do chocolate. All that kind of stuff, no. But strawberry shortcake, I'm there. I teach them how to run because they don't know how to run properly or when to run. And it's always when they're running, they're falling, and it's just why are you falling? Get up. There's no need to fall. But I definitely teach them how to run, get their knees up, and be able to juke the zombies out. Favorite character from Walking Dead? Oh, what a question. I love my girl Michonne, or Daryl Dixon. Daryl Dixon. I love Daryl. He's something. He's something. I love Daryl. I love Michonne, and honestly, Negan, he was evil, but he was funny. I like funny, so I'd say those characters. But Michonne, though, she's a baddie. Oh, I forgot his name. Yeah, he beat him with the belt with Darla. The bat named Darla. Yeah. That was intense. I forget his name. I always forget his name because he died just because he was in the beginning, and then, but I mean, I was expecting, hot take, I was happy he died because I didn't want one of my favorite characters dying, but, and then the other characters died too, Abraham or something, and then yeah, but what a show. I need to actually finish Daryl Dixon, and then I need to finish it's The Walking Dead something. It's like before The Walking Dead. So it's like it takes place before the actual season of The Walking Dead. Honestly, I kind of go by the saying, if you don't like feel good, you don't really feel good, you know? If I don't look good, I don't feel good. You know what I'm saying? So I really like try to, you know, get my nails done. I like getting my nails done. I like putting on nice fits. I like getting massages. I like, you know, doing the simplest things to make myself feel like I deserve this. And that also plays in with the mental health, like, oh, I deserve this, and like I like this is me, and I love me, and like, you know. So definitely just getting the little things done, pedicure, hair did, whatever it may be, that makes me feel so good, and then it just boosts my confidence. When life gets tough, honestly, I'm trying to now put myself in a different mindset that I have been in before. And it's just that, like, you can't fix the past. Don't think too much of the future, because it obviously hasn't came yet. The future has not came, and you don't know what's in the future. So just to work on your present self and working in the present and just enjoying the present, because just thinking about the past won't do anything. Thinking about the future, you just complicate everything, and then just working on the present is what you can and control. You can't control the past, you can't control the future, but you can control the present self. So that's just what I've been just always reminding of myself. Artist I've been recently listening to, SZA. She just dropped her album. Lovely album. I also love me some Kendrick Lamar. He won the battle, by the way. Drake did not win anything. Anyways, then Kendrick is okay. Don't you give me yes, but I grew up on Kendrick. Like, I was like listening to Kendrick more than I listened to Drake. I mean, Drake has songs, I'm not gonna lie, but Kendrick all the way. And then I love my girl Beyonce. She's my queen. The Cowboy Carter album was so good. But those are the artists I've been listening to that's just been on repeat. Oh my gosh, yeah, Drake is a pop star. Sorry, not sorry. Drake is a pop star. He's not a rapper. He doesn't really rap like that. He's a pop star. He makes like popular songs. Kendrick is actually an artist. I'm sorry that I don't like Drake though. Oh, I love shopping literally anywhere, but my favorite places are Target, definitely. Once I go into Target, don't drag me out, because I will spend around $300 in Target. But I do love Lululemon. I have a lot of Lululemon stuff. Tilly's, Paxson, Forever 21 sometimes, but I really, really, really love Target and Lululemon. Those are my go-tos. But yeah. Thank you for watching. My name is Madisyn Anderson, and once again, I've been delivered.
Let's go. If I was an old school 50-pound boombox, would you hold me on your
It's okay. I would have done the same thing. All right, can I do it again? It's as you can see. Okay, it's as you can see. Okay, I'm a perfectionist, so, okay, got it. Woo. Okay.
There you go.
No, first question again. Okay, got it. The ones are.
Oh, then.
No, wait. I know which one to highlight.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. What is it? That's what people don't seem to understand. Huh?
What do you say? Drake?
Drake? Oh, you. Yeah. That's
Still up, but
yeah. No, yeah. The way he sings, it's funny, but it's good at the same time. So I get confused. Like I want to hate, but I can't. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, yay. That was fun. That was really fun. Go to the women, support women's sports. Go to women's volleyball, go to women's soccer, go to women's swim, support women's tennis, support women's sports, because it's what's the name? What did he say? James Brown, it's a man's world, but it's nothing without a woman. I did this. Thank you for having me. Yeah.
oh yeah,
You've been delivered. I've been delivered. Okay. Well, that's gonna take me probably a few tries. Watching. My name is Madisyn Anderson, and okay. Thank you for watching. My name is Madisyn Anderson. Once again, I've been delivered. Okay. Thank you for watching. My name is Madisyn Anderson. Once again, you've been delivered. I've been delivered. Okay. What? I get it? Okay. Oof. Oh, sweating low key. Okay. Is that it?
I'm saying you got it.